What's going on, guys? It's your boy Boosted Villain, and we back with another one. Hey man, it's 2026 and 2025 was a hard pill to swallow. You know, it was pretty hard, man. Just kind of like the Matrix. You had to pick a side, and most people who end up taking the red pill, you know, life was pretty hard for you, man. You probably took that path where you was an entrepreneur and your business wasn't working out, right? And you find out, you know, that, you know, when shit going down, like, you by yourself, bro. You by yourself. But 2026, what are we doing different? What are we doing differently in 2026? Well, one, we got to work on consistency. It's doing the same thing every day. Even though you don't see result the first few days. You don't go to the gym and see result the first few days, bro. It takes time, bro. So when it comes to making money, we got to look at it the same way. It takes time, but look how beautiful it is. It is snowing right now outside. We're the only one outside right now. Everybody else sleeping. All the NPCs, they all sleep. But anyway, man, consistency. We have to be consistent in 2026. We can't lag. That's what we did in 2025, man. We can't repeat that in 2026. In 2026, we have to be grateful for what we have, bro. Being grateful is one of the strongest vibration. That's one of the strongest vibration you can send to source, bro. That you can communicate when you pray to the Most High, bro, is to be grateful for the stuff that you have, bro. A lot of time we take that for granted, you know. And what is the whole point of us, you know, trying to get this money, trying to get this cheese, bro? Is to take care of our freaking family, bro. Right? I don't know about you, but I like giving to people, bro. Even though niggas always fuck me over, but I like giving, you know? I like making people happy, bro. Right? And you have to be on the same vibration, bro. If you want to get to greatness, bro, it can't be all about yourself, you know? So 2026, we have to be grateful for what we have, bro. In 2026, we need a fucking team, bro. You need a team. You can't do it all alone, bro. I said it before and I'm gonna say it again. You're not Rambo. You're not gonna take over a whole fucking country by yourself with a fucking AR-15, bro. Bro, you gotta face reality. You need a team, but you gotta be very specific on who you let be in that team, bro. Right? Because a lot of niggas they're not used to money. When they start making money, they start acting different. You don't need those type of energy around you. If a nigga gonna backstab you for a couple thousand, imagine 100K, imagine 200K, right? And what I come to realize, a lot of these motherfuckers, they don't have dreams to get a fucking Lambo. They don't have dreams to buy their mama a house. You know, they don't have dreams to move out. They don't have dreams to have freedom of navigation. You know, they don't have those type of dreams. So these niggas, they time wasters, man. All they want to do is smoke weed and talk about bitches. We're not doing that in 2026. In 2026, if she don't want you, fuck it. Right? Bro. Job had it worse than you, bro. Job in the Bible had it worse than you. So what the fuck you bitching about, bro? Whatever come to you, bro, just smile, bro. Let's keep going. Best believe in 2026, we're gonna take risks. You have to be a risk taker. You have to be a risk taker, bro. You can't just settle for a 9-to-5, right? Nobody ever got rich from freaking just purely working a 9-to-5. If it was just strictly about hard work, you know, the people in Haiti, the people in Africa, the people in Jamaica, the people all over the place, the Mexicans, they will be the richest people in the world, bro. Right? So you have to come up with new ideas that can benefit Earth, bro. It's not just about clocking in like a fucking NPC, bro. You know? Let's keep going. Time is the most precious things that we have, bro. No matter how much money you have, you can't buy time, bro. But what you can do, bro, you can fucking teleport, right? You can teleport. You can hop on a private jet and get there faster. That you can do, right? So you have to get your time back, bro. So that's why we're making this sacrifice. That's why we're working so hard, right? We need our time back so we can do what we want in life, right? With all that being said, see you guys on the next one. Happy New Year.